So here you can see how it looks. So I'm in Google Sheet. So you see a blank sheet, and I'm just going to open the connector to AtScale. And this connector will then connect to our semantic layer. So first step will be finding our connection. So where is it stored? I click on connect. Here I have my identification. So we are logged in with our SSO. So all safety and security is really in place. And then I will need to select a model. So you will see I have lots of different models, which can be on transaction, on sales, on stock, on invoices, orders. So here I will pick, for example, sales and margin as an example. And then when I click on this model, it's creating the connection to the semantic layer. So I really have then directly access to my KPI. And then I can look at my KPI. So CR is a turnover. So I'm clicking turnover and just drag and drop. I'm just looking for my KPI, and then I drag and drop them in what I want to see. So some margin, I'm going to look for quantities. So I have a lot of different quantities, promo, no promo, evolution. So I take, for example, my quantities and also my quantities of last year. So it's very easy for a user to do an analysis and evolution. Really no technical skills needed for them. As you see, it's very easy to manipulate. I'm going to put a filter on date. So here it means yesterday. So I'm going to look at the data from yesterday. I can put global filter. So then all my next filter are going to be applied on yesterday for ease of use. And then I'm also going to have a look at product hierarchy. So I'm putting a product hierarchy and then requesting. And you can see, so it's querying. So for like 3 seconds, pretty fast, and then just displaying the data. And in just a few clicks, our business are able to get data. So you see all the metric we ask, breakdown by the product hierarchy. This is fairly easy. We also worked a lot on making people life easier. Some say, for example, the right panel is too small. So we gave an option to have a pop-up. So they're able to have more space to see better and more clearly. Also depend a lot on the size of the screen of a laptop. Also a lot of things for ease of use. For example, I click here, I'm able to see all my different tabs which are loading and to refresh all in one click. So I don't lose time also going to each tabs. Talking about tabs, you see a second one where I'm able to look at transaction level and customer segmentation. Another where I'm able to follow my stock by warehouses, and one where we have what we call a composite model. So I'm able to bring sales and transaction and stock in the same model. So it's all meshed together. And if I refresh this tab, then you will see on the right side, I'm going to get all the metadata. So if I go back to this file, everything that I've done is saved. I can share it. Other people can edit it. We are really able to work in a collaborative way. And once it's done, I can reuse it. Okay, so this was a demo. I hope you saw it going about a really specific way about how we use it. This is now available for everyone.